Are your photos too large to upload or share? In this video, I'll show you how to reduce the file size of photos using iPhoto, now called the Photos app, on your Mac. Apple replaced iPhoto with the Photos app, but it still includes powerful tools for resizing and exporting images easily. Large photo files can cause problems when sending emails, uploading to websites, or saving storage space on your Mac. First, open the Photos app on your Mac and select the photo you want to reduce in size. Click File from the top menu, choose Export, and then select Export one photo to open the export settings. In the export window, you can control the file size by adjusting the image format, quality level, and photo dimensions. For smaller file sizes with good image quality, choose JPEG format. Set the quality to medium and limit the size to around 2048 pixels. After exporting, compare the new file with the original and you'll see a big reduction in size with very little quality loss. You can also reduce photo file size using the Preview app by adjusting the image dimensions and resolution. Always keep your original photos backed up and use smaller exported versions only when needed. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs to reduce photo file sizes on a Mac.